See hidden message requests on Instagram. In order to see them, just head over and click on your inbox icon right here. From in there, you should be able to see this option called request. Head over and click on that, and then you can see in here your hidden requests. So you can see us here as well the actual message request and also the hidden request. So those hidden requests will only be added on this particular folder when you try to hide those message requests that you have right here. So you can head over and click on that in order to see those hidden words references. So these are message requests that may be offensive, so they will be added right here. So you can also set who can send your friend request. You can hover to your profile and then click on this three lines and then just search in here for message. Click on that, and in here you can see this message controls. You can see in here these options right here. So your followers on Instagram can send you requests, and others on your Instagram can also send you requests here as well. So you can change that according to your liking. So that's how you see hidden message requests on Instagram.